Brain fog is awful. Brain fog is one of the more difficult symptoms for people to manage. Brain fog feels, the reason people call it brain fog is because it feels foggy in your head. I've always said it feels like I've got cotton balls stuffed in my head. And it just feels strange, like you're not able to process as quickly or can't think of things as well, or stuff that normally comes natural to you. It's just like, those are things your brain normally does. Your brain is just having a hard time with it. It's like when you get into a car and you turn it and you hear the motor go, but it doesn't quite turn over. Brain fog feels like that. Like I can't quite get my brain to just turn over and do the work that my brain normally does. And another aspect of brain fog is that it can be really difficult to maintain a healthy mood, like a healthy, positive outlook, because the brain fog itself feels very disconcerting. And a part of brain fog is also typically anxiety and depression. And so it's very difficult to fight those or to keep your attitudes and your energy good when you're dealing with the brain fog.